Hello, my old school stone food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm back with the air fryer again. Today we're gonna do some air fryer chicken wings. They're gonna be, as you see in the title, honey sriracha chicken wing. I'm gonna do them in the new air fryer. I'm gonna fill up the basket and the rack with these. I got a lot of wings here. I got about 4 dozen wings right here. I'm gonna try to fit them all in the air fryer. But the first thing I'm gonna do before I even get my air fryer heating up, I'm gonna season these up. I got them all washed up, y'all. And what I'm gonna do, y'all see this for my sauce later. This is for the sauce. I'm gonna move that over. Let me get them seasoned up here. Y'all know I'm really simple with my seasoning. All I'm gonna do is some kosher salt, white pepper. And I'm gonna season my flour too, y'all. Then I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put the same thing in my flour. I got a little Cabernet Greek seasoning, a little salt and pepper. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of mix this up. So I ain't gonna over season it because I'm gonna do the flour gonna be seasoned too. So I like to let this kind of hang out a little, y'all. Hang out a little here, and I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna heat up my air fryer. And if I get it preheated, I'm gonna cook these on about 380 for like 15. It's gonna take about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna flip it after I learned enough about the air fryer. After 15 minutes, I usually flip them over. So I'll show you the process. These gonna not be naked. I'm gonna toast them and toast them. I'm gonna toss them in flour also. So let me do that right quick. Let me get my flour seasoned up. Okay, I got my flour here, y'all. I'm gonna put a little Cabernet in here. And some little salt in here. So I'm gonna double, it's like double seasoning, y'all. Double seasoning. That's it. I'm gonna have the chicken season and the flour season, y'all. So what it is, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna get my air fryer over here and get it set up, let it get preheated, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the process. Old school honey sriracha chicken wings, y'all. Got a little spice, a little heat, and a little sweetness of the red wine. Anyway, I mean, it's gonna be the sweetness of the honey, spiciness of the sriracha, and a little sourness of the red wine, rice wine. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, the air fryer is all heated up and ready to go. What I'm gonna do, y'all can see in here, I'm gonna cook it on the rack, but the rack should go in here like this. But I'm gonna do it with the rack inverted because I'm gonna put it on the rack and the basket. I got so many chicken wings, so I'm gonna do it inverted, just like this, so it can both fit in there. The first thing I need to do, I need to dust them in. I'm gonna put them in here and dust them in the flour. I'm gonna show y'all a few, and I'm gonna step out and get them all done here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dust them in flour here. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna dust them in flour. I'm gonna dust them in flour, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put them all on the sheet pan first, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put them on the rack. So anyway, we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, let me show you what I've done here. I got them in here, and I put the flour on there, of course, dusted in flour, and I sprayed it with my spray. I got it on this rack, and then I put it in the bottom here in the basket. Like I say, I'm using. To get them both like that, like I told you, I had to invert the rack. Usually it would go this way, but it would be too low, and I inverted it. That's just experience, y'all, in cooking. To allow more air to circulate. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on air fryer here. Let's go to air fryer. And let's see this thing. Here we go, air fryer. 300. We're gonna do 380. For 30 minutes, y'all. 30 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'm gonna turn them spray the other side just like it did, and then we're gonna go from there. And hold on, while I got y'all here, we're gonna make the bowl here. Right, we'll be right back. I'm gonna show y'all how to make the sauce. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're gonna make the honey sriracha sauce for this chicken. Very simple, y'all. All this sriracha, honey, and a little rice wine vinegar, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, y'all, it's gonna be up to the level of spiciness here. You don't like sriracha? Which I like sriracha, but it can light you up. A little sriracha in there, a little honey, a little sweetness there. A little rice wine vinegar, y'all. Just a little. There we go. Trying to give it that little contrast of flavor there. All I'm gonna do is mix this together. Add a little bit more sriracha. Mix it together. And that's it, y'all. When the chicken come out, we're gonna toss it with this. And we're gonna see how it is. I'm gonna let this sit to the side till the chicken get ready, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take the top ones off. Y'all can see here, I got a top rack and the one in the basket. So the one in the top is ready, y'all. Now I'm gonna move the basket up. See how nice and pretty? Make sure I got this rag good, because this thing is hot. What I'm gonna do, take these off, set these over here on the side. I'm gonna put the basket up here. I already flipped them over, y'all. I'm gonna put them up a little bit higher there. And y'all see over here, take these, put it right here in the sauce here I got. Toss it in the sauce. Put it in the sauce here. Up here. I'm trying to give you a little toss. Oh yeah, let all that sauce kind of soak up in there, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna plate these up while the other ones are cooking. We're gonna come back, y'all, and we're gonna try these out. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this here, y'all. See this here? Nice honey. You can see the honey on there. But I'm telling y'all, I already know it's gonna be spicy. Let me get one of these flats. Look at this. Alrighty. Here goes. I'm gonna try it without the. Matter of fact, I need to put a little ranch in here, y'all. I already know I'm gonna need some ranch. Good balance of flavor, y'all. You try one. Ooh. That sriracha kick you right, right at the end. But perfect the balance of honey, honey and rice vinegar. Perfect balance. It's not really too overpowering hot because the honey balances off the spiciness of that. All right. As soon as I say that, sriracha hits you in the back of the throat. That is good. Yep. So anyway, y'all, 30 minutes, 380 degrees. After 15 minutes, you flip it over, spray it into a perfect chicken wing, toss it in the sauce. Is what you get right here. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022. helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.